drastic short haircut transformation that will leave you speechless. So this video is going amazingly. Are you ready for some jaw-dropping transformation? Today we are diving into the world of short haircut that create fine style and confidence. From long flowing locks to chic bearing pixie cut, these transformations are nothing short of amazing. Watch as each individual sheds all the look, balancing a bold new identity. Every snip of the scissor tells a story of change, empowerment, and a fresh start. The reactions are priceless, capturing the thrill of change and the excitement of self-expression. Whether it's a sleek bob or a textured crop, these haircuts prove that sometimes less really small gets ready to be inspired by the creativity and courage that comes with each transformation. Stay tuned for the stunning reels that will keep you speechless. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy these amazing transformations, don't forget to subscribe.